Greetings and salutations, parents of young kids and teachers alike. This video is for you if you are wondering what your students or youngsters are doing with AI tools. If they're already using them, well, the bullet train is passing by you fast. And if they're not, then this is a good time to get ahead of the situation. Now, if they are using AI tools, or you anticipate that they will be, which I can guarantee you they will, you'll want to know where they are going on the internet and how much time they are spending there. And I have a few tools for you for home networks and possibly small schools that can shed some light on that type of information. Let's get started. The first one is called ActiveTrack. Now, I know that it is positioned for company employees, but if you're trying to track activity with respect to what's being done, how it's being done, what types of websites, how long they're being used, and so on, you install ActiveTrack on the computer itself. This is not a network tool. This is a computer host tool software that you install on a computer. And as a parent or a teacher, you have access to the logs and reports. All right. Next, moving on down the line fast. If you have questions, feel free to DM our team or myself in social media or comment on the videos and we will get back to you. For network security, okay, so this is a network firewall and it works like this. Notice this little video here or this animation. The router, which is called a Unified Dream Router, connects to the internet and your device is connected to that router. So it sits between your devices and the internet from a connection standpoint. You can see the price point here. For what it does, this is a pretty good price. Now, it's not your $60 or $120 Linksys, TP-Link, or Netgear that you can get at the local store, but it also provides a lot more information on what's happening on your network. So suppose your student or youngster is not using their PC, they're using a tablet or a phone through the home or school Wi-Fi. You're going to want to know how much internet traffic, meaning website visitation, what types of websites, what types of activity is going on, and the Dream Router is a good tool for giving you those insights. Plus, it helps you implement certain types of blocking and a lot of other things that are better saved for your conversation with your favorite technician. All right, next, for security purposes, this is not surveillance, this is just security. We have what's called ThreatDown by the venerable Malwarebytes. Now, if you're working with a company and they're providing managed services for your PC, don't go and install these tools because this is for your home system where you're having to do some DIY, or you're working with a tech that services just your home and not your business. So ThreatDown by Malwarebytes is what we call endpoint detection and response. It's the next generation of anti-malware or antivirus. And you can see some of the features here, if I can control my mouse. Incident response, next generation antivirus, device control, blocking of unwanted applications, vulnerability assessment, ransomware, rollback, endpoint detection and response, patch management, which is software updates for security purposes. We have a video on that as well from a couple of months ago, and managed threat hunting. There are different packages here, but you get the idea. And ThreatDown is both Malwarebytes and ThreatDown are highly touted, and you see the authority in IT reviews here. Gartner giving ThreatDown a 4.6. So you want to attack network security and surveillance, for lack of a better term, from a multi-pronged standpoint. You want really good anti-malware, which is ThreatDown. You want great network security for your home. Again, this is for your home or very small school. and that's the Unified Dream Router. And you also want to know what's going on the PCs, and that's ActiveTrack. That's a wrap for this time. Again, if you have questions, feel free to DM myself or our team, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until we talk again, take care of yourself. To see more videos on this topic, click the subscribe button below.